What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got something a little bit different than the usual. We're going to be checking out some underwear today. I had a company reach out, and they are an Amazon seller. So for all of my followers and viewers that are already Amazon Prime members, then this is going to fit right into your repertoire of things to buy, and especially at a really good price. We did just have Prime Day, but you'd be surprised at some of these deals, and I may have a coupon code for you to use as well if you pay attention during this video. But let's go ahead, grab them, bring them into shot. All of the information is going to be down in the description. Also drop a comment, and then make sure you're also in my Discord. That way you can be up to speed on all of the latest stuff that I'm getting in and where it's coming from. That way, if you want to get it yourself, you can most definitely do so. I got the scissors right there. I probably don't even need them. Yeah, nice and easy. So the brand is going to be Natural Feelings, and it is just daily wear underwear. They do have all different styles. I am more of a brief guy. You know, I like a little bit on the leg, and then, you know, I don't really like the boxer loose style. I like everything kind of being a little bit firm. They do have 4 sizes from small to XXL. I guess that would be 5 sizes, wouldn't it? But from size 30 all the way up to size 44, and that is 76 centimeters all the way up to 112 centimeters. 93% polyester and 7% elastic. They did come from Fort Worth, so I got them super duper quick. This is the size small, which is size 30 to 32, so hopefully that'll fit. I'm sure it will. Typically I get a size medium, but I'm sure these will work out. And it says Nature Feelings men's underwear, dedication to daily underwear, right there on the front. Let's go ahead and bust these bad boys open. So it came in this just individual pack, and then I got the briefs like I said. So let's just go ahead and bust them all out real quick. Oh dude, these look sick. Hell yeah. Can't go wrong with underwear, whether you're gifting it or buying it for yourself. For the longest time, I would get it at TJ Maxx, but, you know, Amazon is usually the way to go, and it also just saves you that time. And I don't know if anyone's ever went to TJ Maxx and tried to check out, but they only ever have like one cashier, and there's like 40 people in line, and everybody has like 12 items in their hand, and it just takes forever. So it kind of reminds me of what I tell you guys, you know, what you pay in time, you save in money. But when you're doing it right there, it's just kind of, I don't know, at the moment it just hits you a little different. But so it looks like we got 5 pairs of underwear here. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Off the rip, the colors look amazing, and they have a really, really thick waistband, which is something I like. I don't like whenever it's slipping, falling. I want them, when I put them on, it's where I want them to be. I don't want them going anywhere. So let's go ahead and start checking these out. So as you see, it does say Natural Feelings right there across the top. And these do have a pouch, so you can access out the front if you need to. I'm kind of just a pull down from the top guy, but you know, if you need the pouch, you definitely have it there. These are very, very stretchy, very, very soft to the touch as well. That's probably why, because I'm pretty sure I asked for a medium, but they sent a small, and that's probably just them knowing that like the sizing is a little bit off, so ensuring that they fit. But just by holding them up, they look like my normal size. So probably gonna throw them through the wash and then, you know, add them into the daily. I do like the fact that it's almost like a Nike Pro Combat. These ones look really sick. Look at those. Same Natural Feelings, and has a blue font on this. Man, that's sick. Looks like the ocean. I really like wearing these to the gym, you know, just really soft fabric. Make sure you don't chafe. Make sure nothing gnarly goes on. And just like cotton fibers and warm skin pores don't really mesh well. I unfortunately didn't get blessed with like the no pimple genetics, so I get to suffer with the best of them. So if that's you, I feel you. Yeah, these are really, really high quality. This waistband's really, really nice. Really elastic. Really elastic. That's a black and gray pair, which I mean, perfect. Just gonna go with everything. And then this is a gray pair with that black waistband. So really can't go wrong. You get a 5-pack, so not one for every day of the week, but of course, if you're going to the gym or something like that, you know, or especially cardio days or the days that you go on runs or walks, these are going to be perfect. I really, really like this pair. This pair is probably my favorite. Got that aqua and ocean blue tie-dye going on. Then the dog's down here playing with the tissue paper. Let's not do that, please. This pair is pretty sick too. So yeah, I'll put them on and check them out, and I'll give you a live action review on how they feel. So let me go do that real quick. All right. So yeah, I think I probably could have went with a medium, but the small does fit. They are super duper comfy, you know, I can't really go wrong there. Stand up and show them real quick. Kind of hit them from the side there, just knock the stool over. But overall, I mean, they feel good. The elasticity's there. Bend over to pick the stool up here. Yeah, they don't move around. Has such a thick waistband that you don't really have to worry about them slipping or anything, which is the main thing, especially with wear. But this thing is so thick, it's almost like a headband, so I don't really think you're gonna have to worry with too much wear. And the fact that they're polyester, they're gonna last a long time. Just make sure you don't let them sit too long before washing them, otherwise they might start to smell a little bit. But as long as you stay on top of it, keep them nice and clean, throw them into your daily rotation. I am gonna have a coupon code down below, so make sure you use that when you do check out. And this is on Amazon, making it nice and easy. I did get these in like 2 days after ordering them, so that was super duper sick. But yeah, Natural Feelings underwear, make sure you're checking them out. Got many different styles, and you know, I'll probably end up getting some more down the road, so when I do get those, I will show you guys. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today. I'm Jeff Robe, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.